Match number 5 live from the Multan Cricket Stadium. Very pleasant afternoon here in Multan. Temperatures have reached mid to late 20s. And the evening is sure to be just a touch cooler.
The youngsters saying, let's win this game. Just be smart in the field. Make sure you take your catches.
Wide to start with. Oh, that's swung away by Rizwan. Has it hit the advertising cushions on the full or not? Walked across to off. Whipped it leg side. I think we'll check this. Top of middle stump. That's the sort of length you should be looking for, but that's perfectly timed. Beautifully timed on this occasion from Shan Masood.
When the ball's
swung away leg side again from Rizwan. It is better. Oh yeah, downtown. That is a good strike from Rizwan. Finishes the over wonderfully. 30.
Full toss. Again मुझे मार. ये वो वाली बॉल कराई है वहाँ पे. महंगा ओवर साबित हो.
Oh, gloves लग गया शायद. Gloves लग गया. Gloves लग गया. शान मसूद एक दफा फिर इस स्टार्ट को आगे ना.
शानदार शॉट. बहुत ही जोरदार शॉट. फील्डर के पास बिल्कुल टाइम.
गैप में डाइव जरूर लगाई लेकिन नहीं रोक सके. बाबर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. अच्छा बॉल नहीं था.
अच्छा गेंद थोड़ा फ्लैटर ट्रैजेक्टरी के साथ कराया. एक ही रन नहीं बन पाएगा. मिसफील्ड और ये जख्मों पे नमक उठा दिया. शानदार शॉट. लाजवाब शॉट इस बार राइली रूसो की. गंदा गेंद था लेकिन उसका भरपूर फायदा.
It's in the gap and that'll be 4 more. Good timing. Moves to 49. Fine, and fine enough for 4 more. Just a little loose from Irshad. Oh, crunched over, a wideish. Long off and to the boundary for 4 more. 50 partnership comes up in just 20. That is hit hard. Hit hard enough for 4 as well.
Oh, that is blistering power from Riley Rousseau.
Straight up, who wants it? Keeper wants it. Mohamed Aris is after it, takes it comfortably and they're broken through.
Well done, McKean, well done. Gave him the...
Oh, speaking of magnificent, you get a sore neck down there, Rodman Powell. That has gone a mile in the air. Well, that has been hit hard and way over a wideish mid-up.
Riley Rousseau is just so good. He's created that shot. Now he just moves around in that box and makes it look so easy. Gets down. That's going to be 4. Wasn't that bad of a ball, but he's just found a way to squeeze the boundary out.
Yeah, just look at the way he's just go.
Plays that to the left of Sam Ayub. No one can do anything about that. He's bossing the game at the moment, Riley Rousseau.
Shimmies, doesn't he? Shimmies, he's going to play the little ramp shot. And Nisham, even though he's an experienced team.
That's out. That's got to be out. What an over this. He's covered up for that big Nisham over. And he's got a wicket here. And he's... Oh my God. We need a new ball for sure. He's hit that all the way first up. And an oval. And an oval. First ball, welcome. Out the park. It's a free hit. He can't be dismissed. Keep running. Oh, it's gone through. This effort just tells you what's...
Got on his bike and got going. 66 from 42. Riley Rousseau continued his sparkling form in the tournament so far with a blistering 75 from 36. David Miller... Here we go, away with a dot. Now, I mentioned a fast bowler. Well, it doesn't matter where they are, if you hit it like that, that has gone many a mile. Welcome to the game.
Well, the first couple of...
Oh, shot. Oh, that is high class.
Well, he's dealing in sixes.
Well, that'll fly away as well. Has that gone all the way? 3 scoring strokes, all sixes for Mohamed Harris.
Quickly as possible.
Oh, shot. Oh, that is dreamy. That is dreamy. Swiped away and hit cleanly enough. He's a dangerous customer, Mohamed Harris.
Well, he knew exactly where the fielder was. He hit.
Isanula with pace. A little bit of an inside edge. It sounded like there was 2 noises. It's either an inside nick or it's 2 pads.
Well, that was a match.
Oh, shot. Picked up and gone all the way for 6. Oh, that's 2 shots of the highest quality from this young man.
शानदार शॉट एक बार फिर साई मयूब का। साई मयूब ने अपना जो आमद है उसका ऐलान बड़े जोर और शोर से किया है। ये शॉट जिसको देखते भी नहीं है, इससे आपको स्पाइसमैन की याद आती है। आंड्रे फ्लेचर वेस्ट इंडीज के ऐसे खेलते हैं जिसे नो लुक शॉट कहा जाता है।
क्या लीजिए, अगर साई मयूब नहीं है तो हारिस हैं। उम्दा, बहुत ही उम्दा। कोई फील्डर जरा सा भी नहीं हिला, बिल्कुल नहीं हिला। क्या बात है।
रन आउट हो सकता है, डायरेक्ट हिट हुई तो और ये गए 100% कह सकते गए, और ये पता है हारिस को। ये अनफॉर्चुनेट हो गया यहाँ पर। It's a catch it call. That will be a big wicket if it's taken. Yes, the man who scored 92 of 50 is walking back.
How often did...
It's gone high in the air, but that will just go away with the pace. He's got the distance. Well, he's got hold of him this time. Just got right underneath that, slightly fuller, and he throws it over the side screen. There. He'll keep playing that shot all day long. He loves to play that. It's not the first time he's played the Afridi that way.
For him as well. Hold out. Miller. It's Miller time. And that's a big wicket.
Catch it is a call. Pollard is again in business. And he won't drop it. Back-to-back wickets just sets the whole momentum. Matt gone. This game is done. Saim Ayub is the one whose leg stump gets hit by the ball from Osama Mir. He gets
another wicket. Wahab Riaz, not his night tonight with the ball, and not his night with the bat. Slower delivery. And this man with his pace as well. Another wicket. First ball again into a spell. He is a talent. In the air, this has gone a long way up. A long way up. Taken. Shah Masood took the catch. What a way to finish. Full and straight. And his 3rd wicket. He has 10 now in the Pakistan.